ìgbà tó máa tún fi bá Gistlover sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́lẹ́kejì mi ò mọ̀ ó kàn jí láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ ẹ̀ ni ó rí pé Gistlover tún ti ṣe the same thing fóun ó tún pariwo pé Gistlover ti kó báyìí mo níbo mo sọ pé kó má bá Gistlover sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ pé gbogbo wọn fẹ́ mèkó owó ni wọ́n so kíní yẹn wá bá clash àwọn èèyàn wá rí picture wọ́n wá ní so you ran to Gistlover àbí gbogbo wọn wá ń bu ó deactivate account ẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn ẹ̀ bá rántí that was around September October Gistlover was now looking for her kò rí lórí media Gistlover now slide into my DM Gistlover now said òun wá wùn mí lórí IG òun ò rí wọ́n á sọ fún Gistlover anybody can hate me but that's just why I'm a blunt person I'm a straightforward person when Gistlover why did you post a message with her picture even after she told you to make it discreet why would you do that to her when she deactivated her account because of what you did Gistlover dẹ̀ fún mi ní emoji this kind look pé ṣò gbádùn ṣàṣẹmọ àwọn emoji yẹn ó fún mi ní emoji yẹn mẹ́ta èmi náà dẹ̀ dá padà fún mo dá mẹ́rin padà fún mo fẹ́ mi mẹ́ta mo fún mẹ́rin ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ó ní no be your fault now ṣebí na because I come your DM come follow you talk èmi náà dẹ̀ fún ṣéǹjì ẹ̀ padà.
Tap your screen please.
ó dẹ̀ fún Gistlover ń ṣéǹjì ẹ̀ padà mo defend Wùnmí níbẹ̀ yẹn Gistlover dẹ̀ bọ́ta ó dẹ̀ lọ gbé picture mi síta ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní drag mi gbogbo ẹ̀yin Nàìjíríà ẹ̀mọ̀dé tí Gistlover fi ń drag mi reason tí Gistlover fi ń drag mi láti jọ yẹn ìjọ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní drag mi nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó fi ń drag mi nìyẹn. So
as in we're talking about the slap like
hold on now.
Okay.
I didn't slap her. She only what I told her was that tó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ deactivate her account for now which she did.
Okay.
The reason why I slapped her was previously before that, but a few days to that time, I told her to kneel down and beg her mother-in-law.
Okay.
I don't know what was between them, but I told her to kneel down and beg her mother-in-law. And ever since then, she was showing me attitude. With the ambassador, work out on me. Someone was on the phone. I was on the phone with someone. And I was asking her a question. Ẹni yẹn wà lórí phone, ó dẹ̀ ń work out, ó dẹ̀ ń show attitude more. Àlàyé wá. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe fi gbogbo ilé àtọ̀nà sílẹ̀ tí mo wá jókòó tiẹ̀. Wọ́n ń drag wá media. Ìwọ dẹ̀ ń ṣe bíi pé o ò rí nǹkankan, o ò tí get nǹkankan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. And I slapped her. Because at that point, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní India àti nǹkan tí mò ń gbọ́ lẹ́nu yọkọ ẹ̀. Wàláì, ó dì sáàbù jẹ yọkan lọ.
Okay, that's right. So the reason why you actually slapped her was because you told her to kneel down for the mother-in-law, to beg the mother-in-law, but she refused.
No. I have just said it. Don't stop that repetitive question.